Hi guys, thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for rocking with me. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, you guys. You know how it goes on YouTube. Just wanted to let you guys know this project is pretty self-explanatory. It was very fun. I do advise you guys to go ahead and jump on this hack. I did get this shelf from Ikea, and I will try my best to release everything in the description box below for you guys. So I'll be popping in here and there, talking to you guys and explaining to you guys what I'm doing along the way. But for the most part, it is pretty self-explanatory. Just go ahead and enjoy. Okay. You guys, this feels amazing. Feels amazing. Okay. So I definitely have enough for 4. Okay. Oh, and the paper is so thick that I don't even need a thingamajig like to rub it out. Oh, I really like this. Oh, I thought this was gonna be a major issue for me. Oh my god, guys, this is awesome. This is really easy. This is so fun. I definitely will be purchasing another shelf. Oh, I'm excited. Oh my god, I just knew. Oh, it feels amazing. It feels so good. Like, it's thick. I definitely wouldn't worry about water getting on this or anything like that. This is really nice. Make sure that you are very mindful of how you cut your paper, because as you can see, there's just enough for 4 pieces to cover your 4 shelves. So be very mindful of how you're cutting the paper. I noticed when I was wrapping these, some of they're just different around the edges, and I think that's because of which way it need to be turned when you're attaching them. I guess you guys will see that. Trial and error. Play it safe is to put this on here and make sure everything lines up correctly, regardless. So okay, so as I tighten them up, everything is coming together. Okay, you can see it because, okay, you see that hole there? Okay, so there's one on this side as well, and this side. Go. So don't worry that you've covered them. There's really no other way, if you ask me, to do it without covering them. You're gonna have to cover them. There's no way. You're gonna have to do it this way. And it's really easy. You can really feel it's not like a Doesn't have to be a whole situation. All right, guys, let's get back to work. You can do this however way you want to do it, you guys. I just find it better for me to go from one side to the next to get that balance. I don't want anything to bend. Okay, this feels really, really good, guys. Nice and tight too. So I guess I could tighten the rest of these up because I feel confident. So I'm gonna go ahead and tighten them up. Thank God for electrical drills if I need to untighten them. Yeah, the issue I was worried about is fine. It just was because I hadn't tightened them really tight. So now that I've tightened them up, everything is coming together perfectly. Now, this top is what's concerning me because, mind you, it has to even up. So, okay, we're good. False alarm. I love it, guys. I love it. The only thing I would do differently, I would paint these studs so they don't stand out as much. But with the paper, it actually kind of gives it a little character. Not quite sure am I gonna go over it. I could go over it and paint the studs, but I don't know. It's not that big of a deal. Yeah, I may just leave it. But you guys, I absolutely I love it. It feels great. Of course, it's on this carpet.